There is an entry ticket of 50 rupees. Here they were accepting UPI payment as well. I had to park here and then see what they have. They have a decent sized parking lot, very clean, and there's some kind of little shop and pay and use washrooms. So now I'll see what they have here. It says there's a garden, river view, and hanging bridge. Here's a view of Chalakudy river from Ezhattumugham Prakriti Gramam. And there is a hanging bridge that connects to the other side. That is Thumboormuzhi Butterfly Park. Next to this area is a children's park and just a walkway leading to the children's park. And there are some nice bamboo trees at the end of this park. The pathway continues to this direction. I don't know what is over there. It's just a little bridge that takes you to the other side of this canal. If you like my videos, hit the like button. Remember to subscribe to my channel and get notified of my new videos.